Around 640 BC, Pharaoh, Psammetichus. I wanted to know who the oldest people in the world were. Up until that time, the Egyptians had always boasted of being the oldest, but the wise Pharaoh, not believing the rumors, thought he had to have proof of this claim. The historian Herodotus, who lived a couple of centuries after Psammetichus, also very curious about the question, asked an Egyptian priest for more information, who told him this legend. Despite his research, Psammetichus could not discover which was the most ancient people, and he adopted this expedient. He took 2 newborns from the first to come and handed them over to a shepherd so that he could take them to the flocks and raise them as follows. He ordered him that no one should utter a voice in front of them, and that they should stay apart in a solitary dwelling. Psammetichus did so with the intention of later hearing what word the children would pronounce first, when they were freed from indistinct babbling. As it happened, by now for 2 years the shepherd had raised them without speaking. When one fine day, as he opened the door to enter, the children came towards him, stretching out their arms and shouting, "Bekos." Since they repeated to him various times that word, he reported it to his master, who ordered him to bring the children before him. After listening to the children personally, Psammetichus tried to find out which men called something Bekos, and discovered that the Phrygians called bread that way. Therefore, on the basis of this experiment, the Egyptians recognized that the Phrygians were older than them. Beyond this fascinating but illogical legend reported by Herodotus, it has always been difficult to establish which people can be considered the most ancient in absolute terms. However, recent studies indicate that the primacy could currently belong to the Khoisan, a people of southern Africa.